Hey everyone, Daryl as a service at your service. What is new in the community for Microsoft Loop? Well, I wanted to introduce you to a user group that we have set up. It's a group that is based on LinkedIn and it's been hosted there, and there's a user group and some healthy discussion going on. So, Alex Henry thinks it's a good time to be able to start discussing Loop as we all start to have it arrive. It's just arrived in his tenant. Ian Moran had a good few comments there and some good discussion between others around the transitory state of Microsoft Loop and how uh, what content you create in a chat, how it disappears up or how it may change. And Visa's got some good comments there about common questions that people are asking him about Microsoft Loop. So do check that out. It's a good one to join. Next up, there is some new content for my course. It's going to be growing as more things have become available. I've added over the weekend the paragraph loop, a lesson on that, and just some good practice around when to use it and how to use it, and also bulleted, numbered, and checklists. Just some good practices there about how to build that into Loop and collaboration. Lastly, I have also added a community to the course. So this is a space where if you want to talk about the lessons, share your experiences, ask your questions, then I'll be engaging you there. And what I've done is I've created a post for each lesson so that we can tail off and sort of ask and discuss some of the questions there too. But you're welcome to join and also check out the course because it is free. So that is what's happening in the world and community of Microsoft Loop. I'm sure there are other things going on, and I'll try and bring some more of that news and some updates as I discover it and as people engage with us. Thanks again. We'll see you in the community. Bye for now.